Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to demonstrate here on a 2017 Honda Civic, guys, where the daytime running lights fuse is located. This is the car we'll demonstrate on. The first fuse box that we need is located inside the vehicle, under the dash, guys. If you look upside down, you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that next to your OBD port. That's the dash. It's all the way there, and here if we zoom in a little bit, we will be able to clearly show you the fuses. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the daytime running lights fuse, you can see the fuses are labeled 1 through 13 here, 14 through 26, 27 through 39, and if you come on in the middle row, you have now fuse number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 right here, guys. That 10 amp fuse, excuse me, 22, that 10 amp fuse right here. 22 will need to be checked. Okay, that fuse right there, number 22. So if you start on this side, it's 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. Now we have another one that you need to check. It's in the engine bay fuse box. If you open the hood on your Honda Civic, okay, right here in the corner you have a fuse box. That's a fuse box. If you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. We're going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly show you here now, okay, which fuse we need to check, guys, because here it's a little bit chaotic. And the fuse that we'll need to check here will be fuse number 17, okay. And fuse number 17, it's kind of like easy to find, by the way, because in that row right here, if you come, it's the very first fuse from the bottom to top. Okay, that fuse right here, 10 amp fuse for the daytime running lights. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.